Have you ever dreamt of living among the stars? Of voyaging through the cosmos, untethered by the gravity of Earth, exploring the vast unknown? While this may sound like the stuff of science fiction, it's rapidly becoming a reality. Welcome to a journey through the history of space tourism and the dreams of cosmic colonization. In the mid-20th century, the concept of space travel was strictly the domain of government-funded programs like NASA. The first manned spaceflight took place in 1961, when Russian astronaut Yuri Gagarin orbited Earth, a feat shortly followed by American astronaut Alan Shepard. The 70s and 80s saw the development of reusable spacecraft, most notably the Space Shuttle by NASA. These missions were still government operations, but they paved the way for the concept of civilian space travel. However, it wasn't until the turn of the millennium that space tourism truly began to take off. In the year 2000, American businessman Dennis Tito became the first private citizen to pay his own way to space, spending nearly 8 days aboard the International Space Station. This marked the beginning of a new era, where space was no longer solely the domain of astronauts and cosmonauts. Fast forward to the 21st century, and the idea of civilian space travel is becoming more and more plausible. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are leading the charge, developing reusable spacecraft and offering commercial space flights. These advancements are making space more accessible than ever before. However, space tourism is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a more ambitious dream on the horizon: space colonization. Visionaries like Elon Musk have expressed hopes of establishing human colonies on Mars within our lifetime. This dream may sound far-fetched, but with the rapid advancements in technology and growing interest in space exploration, it's becoming increasingly possible. Space colonization would not only be a monumental achievement for humanity, but it could also provide solutions to some of our most pressing issues. With Earth's resources dwindling and our population growing, the idea of establishing human colonies on other planets is becoming more and more appealing. So, where does this leave us? We're on the cusp of a new era, where space travel is not just for astronauts, but for everyday people. We're moving towards a future where living among the stars is not just a dream, but a reality. In conclusion, the dream of living among the stars has come a long way. From the first manned spaceflight in the 60s to the advent of space tourism at the turn of the millennium, and now the ambitious dreams of space colonization. Space is becoming more accessible, and our dreams of exploring the cosmos are becoming more tangible. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember those stars are not just distant lights, they're our next frontier.